You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be one that I'm sure you guys have been waiting for, because I have not done a I haven't done a nail video in quite a while. Not because of any reason other than I guess I've just been kind of busy, so I haven't had time to just like sit down and record. But then again, I guess I could just record. And then anyway, so if this is your very first time seeing any of my nail videos, hi, I'm Elaine Michelle, and I am a DIYer, nail girl. I've always loved doing nails and all that stuff since I can remember, so this is like super duper fun for me, and I'm really excited to show you guys some tips and tricks and stuff. Yes, I'm missing a nail because it popped off and I'm getting ready to do my nails, so I was like, I'm not gonna put this glue on and all that, so just pretend like it's a nail there, okay? Anyway, so I wanted to show you guys this like budget friendly thing from I got from AliExpress. I did a video and I showed you guys the nail couture nails that I got, and when I was on Max's video, he was saying like these are, and even the website says these are the only places you can get these nails from. Y'all, I've been bamboozled, was lied to. They were all down in the comments. Thank you, besties, for looking out for your girl. Was like, look, they on AliExpress, go get them. So I ordered them off of AliExpress. I got them in about 2.5 weeks, which these from nail couture took me over a month, and I'm still waiting on another order from them, because after I placed it, I was like, ooh, I want these other ones. Yeah, so it's a whole thing. So here are some of the things that I got from AliExpress, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of like a little haul and then do a comparison of the nails, because I do have the après nails as well as the nail couture ones, so I'm like, this would be a good time to do a kind of like dupe review. So that's really why I wanted to purchase off of AliExpress. All right, so I got some more of these what are they, caviar whatchamacallits. I actually ended up spilling the last ones I had. Like, look at this. Most of them like went on the ground, but I got these off of Amazon, and these were on AliExpress. I think they were like $1 to get from the store. I'll have the link to the store because I got all of the stuff from the same exact seller. So like none of this stuff came from a different seller or whatever. But I'm excited because I've been wanting to use these, but they are so messy. They can get really messy. So I'm just going to stick those over there in their little habitat. I also got these like frosted like glitter flakes. I wanted to try some of those and see how that would work. So this just the kind of clear ones with the iridescent dots in there. I thought that was super cute. And then I got me some glitter because I did not have any like chunky glitter flecks. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it so much. Hold on, let's change this battery. Okay, my battery just decided it wanted to die. So yeah, there's the glitter. All right, and then I have some foils, and I decided to get like the leopard style foils. Y'all know how I feel about that. I think I'm a tiger queen, and I just wanted to try some other ones. These are gonna be for my special sets for the besties, so I'm excited about those. And then I got, of course, so those are like the funky colored ones, and then I just got like some regular colored ones. I like these a lot. Ooh, I like these a lot. So stinking cute. Oh, that one actually looks like tiger right there. It's so cute. And then this one is like adorable. I can't wait to use them. I am still kind of learning how to do like a full cover foil nail, but I do like how they look like on the tips and stuff like that. You can play around with that a lot. All right, so I got 3 different styles of these nails because I do not have any like square tips, so I wanted to try some like small ones, or like I guess they're called medium size, because these that I have on are like small, and then these are like medium size, and these are supposed to be like the gel tips. So hopefully you guys can see like kind of how, oh, that's so clear. Oh, it's so clear you can't even see. Like, I'm trying to show you the thickness of the nail. Can you guys see? How can I okay, well, anyways, that's a view, huh? You can't really see like the full thickness of the nail. I'll try to like, maybe I'll try to like get a picture of it or something somewhere else. But this is along the lines of the après ones that I have, so that's pretty cool. They feel like they're gonna be just about the same. They're bendable, which is what you want because they're supposed to be gel tips. So that's pretty dope. Okay, now the one thing that you guys know I do not like that much is that they come in these little baggies. But I mean, who are me? I would prefer that they didn't come in the baggies, but then again, you know, that's how they have to come. So that's the small square. And then let's get into the dupes that I can show you guys. Like, for real, I'm not gonna say I'm annoyed. I'm just upset that, like, somebody would just really just sit there and just lie for no reason. Like, why are you lying? Why are you lying? Okay, so this is the XXL long tips, okay? So these are those, and at the time, so now Apres has some too, but at the time when I ordered, Apres did not have any either. And these are the XXL tips from the AliExpress, okay? How am I going to show y'all this? Like, it's just blending right on in, honey. Okay, we're going to put that right there. And then I have these ones. So I'm going to grab a number 10 because I think that's what that... Oh, that was 11. See, I even get more sizes in this one. Okay, so these are the tips. As you guys can see, they are like the same length. One is a little bit more frosted than the other. Okay, so these are our AliExpress tips. And then these are the ones from Nail Couture. But I just wanted to show you guys, just laying here, that they are literally, and even this is like a size different. I guess I need to get, let me grab a, because this is an 11, so that might be a little bit reason to why. But let's grab a 10 from out of here. I feel like that'll be more in line. Okay, there's a 10. All right, so here's a 10. So we really can see. And if you look closely on the Nail Couture ones, they do have like that little rip from the molding. I realize that's how they come, is off of that little thing. So if you guys can see this, they are literally like the same exact size. So these are 2 10s. Okay. So this is the one here from AliExpress, and this one is from Nail Couture. The only way I can tell the difference is that the Nail Couture one is a little bit more frosted than this one. It's more clear. So I really cannot tell too much of a difference. But as you guys can see, they are the exact same. Like, everything is the same other than that frosted color. So yeah, I'm pretty much going to be ordering from here going forward because, like I said, even coming from, y'all know AliExpress is coming from China, like, it still took me, like, almost 2 months to get these. And I think that's just ridiculous. Like, if you are a nail, like, say you're a nail artist, like, and you're trying to have these in your shop, or you're doing press-on nails or whatever it is that you're doing, like, having these out of stock for a month is not good for your business. So I'm not here for that. I don't know about y'all, but I am not here for it. Okay, so here's these. Let's stick these back in here so I don't get them mixed up. Now I have to go buy the, like, little clear nail things. And I bought some more from Nail Couture. It's a whole thing, y'all. It's a whole thing. So let's just see these ones as well. So I wanted to get the XXL long Coffin nails. So let me see. Let's do this one. This is a number 1. So let's try. Okay, so this is a number 1 in that style. Let me pull a number 1 here. So I have these. Let's see. Yeah, and here's a 1. So yet again, you know, I feel the difference as far as, I mean, I see the difference as far as, like, the color wise, like how this one is more frosted. If you guys can see that. Maybe if I move that out of the way, that still looks like, maybe we need like a piece of, I don't know if that made it better or worse. I don't know. It's so hard to see with these clear things. Okay, so here are both of them. They're 1s, and I mean, literally, you can tell that they are pretty much the same. Like, they feel the same thickness, even like at the tip. They're just as strong up there at the tip. So I think I just want to see how they're going to wear. So I'll probably do a set. Probably like maybe some press-on style nails for me, because when I wear these, I try to keep these on for like 2 weeks, but I have a way that I can do it without making them stay on that long. So yeah, this is like probably gonna be purchasing direct from AliExpress going forward. So shout out to the besties who put me on game, because yeah, your girl was about to be out here just spending money for no reason, and they're more expensive too. than what these were. I think on AliExpress these were $4 for a set or something like that. I'll have the prices listed down below and the link so you guys can get into all of that. All right, so if you guys are familiar with the après nails, they have these colors, like the Art Me colors. This one is by Yoko Matsuts. I'm gonna mess that up, but if you look on there, it's the Art Me by Tokyo. Okay, so the style of the nail is super duper cute, and I love these because they're already like colored for you, so you really don't have to do anything different. One thing I wanted to try to do one time is like to do a red underbottom of this tan. I thought maybe that would be super cute, but they're a nice style of nail. So it comes in this box as well, so that's a thing. But again, they come pre-colored. So when I saw these on the website, I was interested in getting some anyway because I was gonna get some darker colors for the fall. And so I was like, ooh, this would be super cute to kind of get into. And these are what the nails look like. And I mean, when I tell you they are, let's pull out, see, these ones don't have numbers on them. Like on the box is what I'm talking about. 3. Let's get a 3. And this might be easier to tell. Okay. So this is the black one. That's from that collection, and then here is the pink one from the actual from Apre's collection. Now the way you can tell it's the après, I said après, inside of here, I don't know if you guys, if it's even going to zoom in. Let me see if I can get it to zoom in. Okay, so here we go. I hope you guys can see that, but inside of the nail it's like a little etch right there, and you can just kind of see it has the etching of après inside of the nail. So that's kind of the difference between the two. But there's the nails. This is how they look. So same size. Everything feels the exact same. It doesn't feel any different. Like I'm tripping because I'm like, wow, these nails are about 30. I want to say these are 32 on the Après website. These are about $32, and then these are $16. So there's like $15.99 for these. Wait, I had it backwards. Okay, so the Après ones on their website retail for about $32, and then these retail for about $16 on the website. Sorry, I just confused you guys, but as you can see, again, they are pretty much the same. So yeah, your girl's like, I'm gonna be purchasing off of AliExpress going forward. So that is my haul for this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like, how do you feel about, you know, someone saying that they're the only ones with that mold, and then you look online, you go on Ali, and you know, realistically the molds are being made over there? Because I don't understand, if you're a US based manufacturer, why is it taking you 20, let me see how many months, I said 20 weeks. Why is it taking you anywhere between 8 to, I mean, 8 weeks is too much. You know, if you, I mean, I don't know how it works. Maybe I need to go visit or something, but I definitely will not be purchasing anything else from them, especially because I tried to cancel my last order and they sent me a thing back, and all it said was, oh, your order is going to be processed. We're holding up times due to the current climate of stay-at-home order. I'm like, so I ain't even gonna get into that. But anyways, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I'll have all the links and all that down below, and make sure you tell them Elaine Michelle sent you, so we can try to work out some partnerships. Okay, that's what I'm trying to work on. I love you guys in real life, and I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah. KK. Ooh, that's so ghetto. KK. Bye.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you